In this video, you are going to see how to use the sum function in Google Sheets. Here I have a data set, and in this cell I want the summation of basic salary, house rent and the medical allowance. Click on this cell and input the equal sign and type the function sum, S-U-M, sum, and start the left parenthesis and select the range using the mouse. Now close the parenthesis and hit enter. Then you will get the summation. Here it says suggested autofill. Let us click on this tick symbol, then you will get the summation in all of the cells. If you want to get also over here the summation of basic salary, let me type here equal, right here sum, start the left parenthesis and select the range, close the parenthesis and hit enter. Now if you want to get the summation for these two columns, let us click on over here and use this point and drag it to the right and you will get the summation. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.